In this video, let's see what is the concept of business rule engine. Here we will be learning why, what and how about the business rule engine, followed by sample use case and then interview questions and about the next video. Kindly note that we need to create new Salesforce Industries trial org to practice business rule engine. First, let's understand what is the concept of business rules. For example, here, if we need to finalize discount percentage based on customer type. If customer type is diamond, then there will be a 40% discount on total bill. If customer type is platinum, there will be 30% discount. Similarly, if it is a gold, 20% discount. Likewise, there are some rules are defined by business. Now here, to showcase this concept, we have taken only 5 rules, but in real time there will be 50 rules or maybe 100 rules. So how to implement and manage these rules? There are few approaches to implement this. If you go for programmatic approach, then we can use if-else concept. If we go for OmniStudio, then in the integration procedure we can implement this with the help of conditional block and set value. In the previous video I have shown this. If you want to show final amount total to pay based on the discount percentage, in the previous video I have explained this, how we can achieve this with the help of conditional block and the set values. You can watch it again with the help of above link. Now these are the two approaches, but both these approaches are quite complex and lengthy one. Hence, Salesforce has given a new framework, that's a business rule engine. Then why this business rule engine? It's easy to define all the business rules. We can manage it. Most important, it's a reusable and easily editable. If you want to edit this, suppose I don't want to give 40% discount to the diamond customer, then I want to give it 35%. I can go in the business rule engine framework and we can modify it, which looks difficult in the if-else framework or in the integration procedure conditional block. What it is? It's a declarative framework as we discussed. It consists of two components, expression set and lookup tables. Lookup table are nothing but decision matrices or decision table. How we can implement the use cases which are using business rule engine? We can use business rule engine framework plus integration procedure actions like expression set action and decision matrix action. In upcoming videos, we will be doing the hands-on sessions how to implement this business rule engine. To understand the concept, let's take the sample use case which I have discussed previously as well. Here business wants to give shopping discount based on customer type. As we discussed, these all are the business rules. Here input is a customer type. It means our application getting the input, that is a customer type. Then business rule engine will be giving the discount percentage as output. And this output means discount percentage we can use to find out total to pay amount. I mean to say, if total bill is about 10k, then we can apply this discount percentage here and we will be able to find total to pay amount. So in this way we can find out the discount percentage with the help of business rule engine. How can we do it? With the help of decision matrix, expression set and integration procedure. Let me show you sample decision matrix like this. As I mentioned, in the upcoming videos, we'll be having session, hands-on session, step by step, how to create decision matrix, expression set, how to add it into the integration procedure. But let's see what's the UI of decision matrix. So it is like this. This is the input data. For example, here customer type. Output data is discount percentage. If it is a gold type of customer, then discount percentage is 30, regular 5%. Likewise, we can create some rules we can add here in this decision matrix that we will see in the next video. So this is the concept of business rule engine, why it is, what it is and how it is. Based on this discussion, you can try for these interview questions. Feel free to comment your answer, or if you have any doubt, you can mention in the comments. In the next video, we will have a hands-on session how to create decision matrix and its multiple versions and all the information about the decision matrix. Make sure that you should have a new Salesforce Industries trial org to practice the business rule engine. Thank you for watching.